Is there a sexual harassment problem at workplaces in South Africa?
Is that the question?
Yes, I'm asking.
Yes. From my experience, starting from the labor court, there has been that problem that has been identified.
So judiciary is a workplace?
I don't know, do we need a dialogue, Chief Justice?
Don't do that, because we're trying to find your view on this matter. I'm not engaged in a dialogue with you, JP. I'm trying to arrive at a certain point. Why? Because you're making it difficult to make up our mind in relation to your thinking on this matter. That's why I'm coming up with a different approach. I asked, is there a problem of sexual harassment in society? You said yes.
Yes.
Is judiciary not a working place?
It is.
Therefore, it means there will be a problem of sexual harassment in the judiciary, because there is generally a problem of sexual harassment in society.
Yes.
Now that you came before us to apply for a position where you are going to support the Chief Justice, and you are confessing that you didn't know that there is a problem of sexual harassment in the judiciary, now you know.
What I'm saying, Commissioner, is the actual cases in my workplace, I have not come across that. But I do not rule out that they are there. I'm saying without a policy, it will be difficult to get to know about these cases. Once there is a policy in place, it will encourage everybody to make it known so that we have this scourge and then address it immediately.
No, JP, you are applying to go and assist the CJ. Assist her on what? Because you don't know what are the issues there. What are the problems? I'm saying, with all of everybody's input now, not your experience where you work and all of that, now at a national level, with national consciousness that is given to you now, out of this input, do you accept that there is a sexual harassment problem in judiciary in the same way there is a problem of sexual harassment in society? You might have came here not aware, but with everybody's input now, do you now accept that it looks like there is a problem the judiciary is dealing with? You were not aware of it. You are now aware of it. But it makes it problematic for me to want to go and help the CJ on matters that you don't know. Help her on what? Because you don't know there is a problem she's dealing with.
Yes.
That's why she's trying to expedite the issue of sexual harassment policy, which you are aware of. And when it became an issue, a judge with interest in leadership position would have inquired as to what necessitates such a policy. Because we've been operating here, there was no policy. Why now? Because you have got interest in leadership position. Being Deputy Chief Justice is a leadership role and is to help the Chief Justice, and you are going to help her on issues that you are not aware. What are the issues? Now you know, you do accept that there is a problem of sexual harassment in the judiciary with all inputs given here.
I have been assured that there is that problem, and I do accept that there is that problem. What I was trying to put forward was that I personally have not come across a specific case that I had to deal with. But if the scourge is there, I do accept.
CJ, I personally never came across a case of racism, but I know there is racism.